Just wanted to say that I finally saw the display up at my Walmart, and I don't really use these too often, but I do use them from time to time. I wasn't gonna get it, but it's so pretty. It's like a metallic pink. So it is the lash curler. My lashes are pretty much curled, but already. That's why once I put mascara on, it's hard to put fake lashes. And I picked up the candy, and I think this is cotton candy, I think, and candy wasted. It's this kind of hot pink, but I kind of wanted to mix it with this one because I think this is just a wee tad too like brown for me. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that. And that's that. That's the new stuff. And then next week I should be getting my Physicians Formula, and I will do one of the 10 pans. And also wanted to tell you that Wet n Wild did get it's not a new collection per se, but for Valentine's Day they repackaged some of their regular line stuff. Really adorable packaging and like a really great deal. Like for $12 you get about 5 or 6 items. It's like a blush, a lipstick, a lip gloss, a mascara. I think there was something else. And then you could get the sponge too. There's a sponge that comes with it. All regular line stuff, but for that price, that's pretty cool. And right now, I don't know if you're registered, but you should be. You get an email with a code. If you buy the new stuff, you get free shipping with 15. So I did it. It was $12 for all that, plus it was like $3.99 for the sponge. So I got the free shipping with that with the code. So the packaging was adorable. I wasn't gonna get it, but when they made that, when they had the free shipping, I said, okay, it's worth it. And just wanted to reiterate, I didn't really like say this when I was doing the pictures because it's pictures and you can't really say this, but this was their holiday, and basically what they did was took their Nude Awakening and their other palette, their other like nude something palette that they came out with, and basically they just repackaged it into this and put all the mattes in one and the shimmers in the other. But it reminds me a lot of the Nude Awakening. So for me, it's like they did the Nude Awakening a fourth time. So just wanted to tell you that, and I already, showed you everything, and all the pictures and everything, and swatches and everything. But just wanted to let you know about that, and that's it. Next week I'll do a 10-pan look with the with the Physicians Formula stuff. All right, guys, I will see you next week. Mwah.